purpose fucking. Shit works. I'm telling you. Look at that.
Game over.
Game over.
And the knuckles. What? Oh, pop. Inside. Yeah.
Beast mode, baby. Beast mode.
Beast mode. Let's go. This is my dance. Joe shows next.
No, wait. I want to beat you up.
Make sure you hit the patty.
Make sure you hit the pattern, fool. Jesus. Fucking pinata. Ow, my arm! Supposed to hit the shoulder pad.
That was great.
I got my chin strap.
And make sure you tuck your chin. Because that back comes under, it's going to hit your chin. So keep your chin like that. Look down. Ready, set, go. Pinata.
Right here.
No, don't hit my face.
Don't put your hands up. Get in the face, Joe. Get in the face.
I'm so scared right now.
You just smashed him with shoulder pads.
Now you gotta go, what?
Do your dance. What's your celebration dance?
Okay.
Go, Joe.
Remember, mask here, go low, and rap. Set, height.
Hey, how's that?
That's as hard as you can tackle?
Yeah.
I guess.